Have you ever wondered what you can actually do with GrabPay? I mean, it's a mobile wallet, but what does that really mean? Well, let's dive in and find out. So, first things first, what is GrabPay? It's essentially a digital wallet that you can use to make payments for various services and products. Think of it like a virtual purse that you carry around in your phone. Food delivery. One of the most popular uses of GrabPay is for food delivery. Whether you're craving a juicy burger from your favorite fast food joint or a fancy meal from a Michelin-starred restaurant, GrabPay has you covered. Simply open the Grab app, select your desired food, and pay using GrabPay. No more fumbling for cash or worrying about card declined messages. Rideshare. Of course, GrabPay was originally designed for rideshare services. So, if you need a ride to work, a night out, or anywhere else, you can easily hail a Grab car and pay for your trip using GrabPay. It's a convenient and hassle-free way to get around. Online shopping. But that's not all. GrabPay can also be used for online shopping. Many online retailers now accept GrabPay as a payment method. So, whether you're buying clothes, electronics, or anything else, you can use GrabPay to make your purchases. Bills and utilities. Did you know you can also use GrabPay to pay your bills and utilities? That's right. Many utility companies and service providers now accept GrabPay payments. This means you can pay your electricity, water, and internet bills directly from your Grab app. No more long queues or waiting in line. GrabPay credits and rewards. One of the great things about GrabPay is that you can earn GrabPay credits and rewards. These credits can be used to offset the cost of your Grab rides, food deliveries, and other purchases. So, the more you use GrabPay, the more you can save. GrabPay Cash. Another handy feature of GrabPay is GrabPay Cash. This allows you to withdraw cash from selected ATMs using your Grab app. So, if you need cash for any reason, you can easily withdraw it using GrabPay Cash. GrabPay Safety and Security. Now, you might be wondering about the safety and security of using GrabPay. Well, GrabPay uses advanced security measures to protect your personal information and financial data. So, you can rest assured that your money is safe. So, there you have it. GrabPay is a versatile mobile wallet that can be used for a wide range of things. From food delivery and rideshare to online shopping and bill payments, GrabPay has you covered. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.